welcome to my kitchen. I'm Brian Burney. Today we're going to be trying the Tasty One Top. The Tasty One Top has so far a few recipes you can do. I've chosen a recipe personally. It's caramel glazed French toast. Sounds really good. I can't wait. So far what I have is on my app. You get an app, the Tasty app. I select the recipe, and what I do is I press all set. Okay, so it says start cooking. Place a non-stick pan on a surface of your one top. So I have my non-stick pan. It's on the one top. I just press next step. Oh, you hear that? It says press power button. There we go. Now it says it's setting my temperature to 380. So right now, all we're gonna do is we're gonna get our 3 eggs, which I have right here. Super handy. We're gonna have also our milk. So I'm going to pour all this milk in here. Make sure it's evenly distributed around this. Okay, so we have all of our milk placed into there. Now our 3 eggs. And then our sugar. And then our tablespoon of vanilla extract. You can do it over the used bowl and the eggs, just so there's no mess. Okay, then you're going to do your tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Teaspoon of ground cinnamon. You can still do it over the bowl that you used with your eggs. Okay. Then you're going to use some kosher salt. This is a kosher dish. Okay, so now you're using a baking dish. So then we're going to use our trusty whisk, and we're going to whisk it all together. Keep your eggs in one spot so you can whisk that, and then start spreading it out. Cause look, and this is going to become our caramel glaze. And just if you don't like anything that's in here, you can always substitute. And the cool thing about the one top, I was making eggs with it earlier, is that it knows. So I was making eggs, and the eggs were, I couldn't tell if the eggs were set. It would know. It would know if this next step. Okay, this looks well combined. So all you can do is place your whisk in that bowl you used with your eggs, just so nothing spills. Okay, next step. Okay, so we're going to place 1 tablespoon of butter and swirl it around with my whisk. So let's get our 1 tablespoon. Just going to scoop it. 1 tablespoon. You can use something I like to use. It's almost like a spatula, but it's smaller. It's handy. Okay. Then instead of using a whisk, I'm going to use my spatula. Swirl around the pan. Who doesn't like the smell of melted butter? So it says on here that it should look very bold and almost a caramel color. It should have a bit of bubbles. Make sure all your whole pan is coated. Okay, next step. So with this mixture we've concocted right here, make sure you scoop all the extra butter off your spatula. Then you can just put the spatula to the side for right now. Then we have our inch-cut baguette. I know, baguette doesn't sound normal for French toast, but trust me. You're just gonna put evenly spaced. You're just gonna make sure they're all on the same side. It doesn't matter what size, they can't be on the side. You squeeze them together too. So you have the most room in your baking top. Just keep an eye on that butter so it doesn't burn. See, I cut an evenly amount of butter. Okay, so now while it's coating, just so your butter doesn't burn, just keep it swirling. Okay, I'm pressing the next step. So now I guess we're gonna flip them, or turning them, so both sides are evenly coated, so we don't get like that one side that has nothing on it. Okay, so now, okay. So right now, since they're all evenly coated, now we're gonna put each of them kind of in like a circular shape. Make sure you don't spill. Very crucial, don't spill. Make sure that they're all drenched. Just kind of swirl it and then boom. Swerve it. Boom. Takes about 8 minutes just to cook. Smells super good. I think you can fit, if you try, I mean, you don't want to squeeze them in too hard, but you could fit multiple on there. I think that's enough. I mean, you should have 4 left. So then you wait 8 minutes and flip. At the 4-minute mark, you flip. So I'm just gonna wait. It smells really good. So anyone who's looking at a Tasty One Top, you guys can just go onto an app store and look up Tasty, and you'll find an advertisement for the Tasty One Top. Okay. And FYI, when you're using the Tasty One Top, you don't want anything to splash on the heat source. So then you get this like beeping message. So we'll be back in like a minute. I'll see you guys later.